Welcome to the afterlife. You've been in a medically induced coma while we got you out of Ukraine and rebuilt your mouth.
The suicide pills were fake. Why?
A test.
We all believe we'd run into the burning building. But until we feel that heat, we can never know. You do.
I resign.
You don't work for us, you're dead. Your duty transcends national interest. This is about survival. Whose? Everyone's. There's a Cold War, cold as ice. We even know its true nature is to lose. This is knowledge divided. All I have for you is a gesture in combination with a word, Tenet. Use it carefully. It'll open the right doors, but some of the wrong ones too.
That's all they've told you?
That test you passed? Not everybody does.
One of these bullets is like us, traveling forwards through time. The other one's going backwards. Can you tell which is which? How about no? It's inverted. Its entropy runs backwards. So to our eyes, its movement is reversed. We think it's a type of inverse radiation triggered by nuclear fission.
You didn't make it.
We don't know how yet.
So where'd it come from?
Someone's manufacturing them in the future. They're streaming back at us.
How did you know? Cannon Place, 3 o'clock. Probably nothing.
Posterity.
Cannon Place, 3 o'clock. Probably nothing.
I told you you'd have to start looking differently at the world.
I have to tie up the loose ends.
That wasn't even your job.
Then whose was it?
Mine. I realized I wasn't working for you. We've both been working for me. I'm the protagonist.
Then you'd better tie up those loose ends.
Mission come.